So all of these AI influencer videos has been generated using the free AI tools. And in this video, I'm going to share all of the tools and the workflow that will let you generate these kind of realistic results. And many of you guys were already demanding this video, so here it is. And for those who don't know, I have already covered a detailed video on this topic, but this time we are only using the free AI tools. So the workflow is pretty much similar. We need the AI influencer face. In my case, I'm again using the same influencer, but this time we are using LM Arena to use Nano Banana for free. So again, head over to the pinterest.com, and here you can find multiple kind of videos. Well, you can also get these videos from the TikTok, Instagram, or any other social platform that you like the most. You can see we have multiple type of videos over here. So basically we are getting some references from here. So you can download any one of them. In my case, I'm using this video. This is a very clean and simple video. We don't have much going on in this one. So the trick is simple. Just go to the initial frames of your video and take the screenshot of the very first frame. Make sure that you're taking the screenshot of the initial frames only, because this is very important. Now simply head back to the LM Arena, and from here go to the model sections, and from here select direct chat and make sure to click on the image model. And again, you can see in the drop down we have Gemini 3 Pro, which is Nano Banana Pro. Well, we also have other models, but we are only using Nano Banana Pro. Now simply upload the base image of your influencer and then the screenshot that we have just taken from the video, and simply type this prompt: image 1 is posing like image 2, same camera angle. So it's very important to mention that the camera angle is same, and simply hit generate. So here is the output image, and this is looking perfect. Now for the videos, which is most important, we're gonna head over to the Wan.video, and from here select avatar, and then from the drop down menu select character swap. Now simply upload the original video that you have downloaded from Pinterest, and then the image of your influencer that we have just generated. And from the settings, make sure to select the Pro model instead of standard. And now you can see this will cost you 0 credits. That means this is totally free. Well, you also get some daily free credits, but these are not enough. But make sure to keep in mind that if you're using this for free, you have to wait for a long queue. So the generations can take a lot of time. So here is the output, and this is actually very impressive, but this is not perfect. There are minor defects in this one. This is not as good as the Kling 2.6 that I have covered in my previous video. I still prefer the previous method, but you guys were requesting me to cover the free version of it. So here is the free version. This will work for you if you want to use it for free, but if you want the best results, you should definitely use my previous method. And these are some more outputs from it. These are not bad, but this is not perfect. So if you want the quality, you should definitely go with the Kling 2.6. But if you want to use it for free, here is the free version. So I have covered both of these methods for you. I hope this video will bring some value for you. And if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because a lot of cool content is coming up. So that's it from today. See you in the next one.